In the upcoming month of September, Germany will host the EMO Exhibition, a grand event for the machine tool industry. Sunfirm Machinery, with 63 years of establishment, will also participate in this event. As a professional lathe manufacturer, Sunfirm Machinery is committed to producing high-quality CNC lathes and precision lathes that meet customer demands. Their diverse product specifications include casting bed diameters ranging from 500 to 3,500 millimeters, bed widths from 400 to 2,200 millimeters, spindle diameters from 100 to 800 millimeters, and center distances from 1,000 to 20,000 millimeters. It's worth mentioning that Sunfirm has been honored with the Taiwan Excellence Award for 6 consecutive years and has received prestigious awards such as the Outstanding Enterprise Award, Best Product Award, and National Award in the National Brand Yushin Awards, fully demonstrating their excellence in the machine tool industry. Additionally, Sunfirm is also a member of Taiwan's national mask team, applying their exquisite manufacturing technology to the front line of epidemic prevention. At this year's EMO Exhibition, Sunfirm Machinery will showcase their latest lathe model, the CLT-52240. This multi-axis synchronous motion heavy-duty CNC lathe can process workpieces up to 6 meters in length, with a processing diameter of up to 1.3 meters and a wide range of outer diameter processing capabilities, exhibiting strong heavy cutting capabilities. The CLT-52240 features an extra-large spindle, an integrated C-axis turret with a Y-axis, and a V12 turret, all of which enhance processing efficiency and tool changing speed, further improving production efficiency. Moreover, the machine bed is designed with a one-piece structure, providing a sturdy and robust mechanical framework that suits heavy-duty cutting needs. The semi-carriage design for the tool post, which does not interfere with the fixed frame and tailstock, facilitates processing, significantly reducing setup time and further enhancing production efficiency. If you're interested in Sunfirm Machinery's CLT-52240 lathe, make sure to visit their booth at EMO Exhibition, Hall 16E30. You can witness firsthand the professional expertise and innovative products brought to you by Sunfirm.